All right, guys, I have something pretty cool to show you. It's not very often that you get a win when it comes to materials and what things cost to get going, but I wanted to show you something cool. This came from a $10,000 printer. This came from a $300 printer. The quality is identical. The $10,000 printer, I made a matrix to test the implant locations, and obviously it fits perfect. So now I have a verified model. $300 printer fits perfect, screws down perfect. This is amazing how a $300 printer produces an incredible result.